Problem: we all have seen the implications of global warming and climate action around us. Do you know our kitchen's wet waste is also responsible for it when it reaches landfills? We can cut down our contribution to landfills by a whopping 50% by composting your wet waste at home. Composting is an easy conversion of organic waste to a valuable resource. We bring to you an easy, convenient way of composting at home. Introduction: Introducing DostBin, a patented device to make composting adoptable by masses. With DostBin, you can convert your kitchen waste into nutrient-rich compost effortlessly. Installation and setup. Installation: Begin by ensuring that DostBin is correctly installed in a convenient location within the kitchen or utility area. DostBin will take your daily kitchen waste and give output as compost and nutrient-rich leachate. Let's get into step-by-step process of DostBin. Feeding DostBin. The daily kitchen waste and a handful of cocopeat powder from the adjacent section can be added as and when waste is generated in your kitchen. Close the lid manually. The shredded waste moves down to the first compartment. The first compartment can hold up to 14 days or 5 to 7 kilograms of kitchen waste. DostBin design makes it efficient with odorless processing. Alternate Sundays, you can use the lever push-pull operation to shift the waste to the second compartment for further digestion. DostBin's mixing and aeration process speeden up the composting process. Rotate the handle for 30 seconds twice in 1 week. Harvesting compost and leachate. This slider is used to transfer the compost to the collection drawer. The compost may be used for your plants. The dense, nutrient-rich leachate is collected in a separate box. This leachate can be diluted with water in 1:15 ratio to use as liquid fertilizer. If it is not required, it can be connected with an optional pipe to drain. Supporting sustainable farming through mobile application. You can add your compost production data in our mobile application to get it collected at your doorstep. You will be able to track your contribution to a greener, cleaner environment through it. Our valuable customers will be rewarded for giving their compost to us to support our farmers to grow chemical-free food.